Hello, good evening to everybody. My name is Mohammad Mufakam Sanjawari, faculty of NGCC Software Technologies, going to discuss about installation of Dreamweaver. Okay, first download the file through internet. Okay, I have already downloaded the file of Dreamweaver. Here is the setup. Okay, extract this file. Okay, extract this file here. Okay, I have already extracted the file. So click on this. Click on setup. Okay, click on the install. Click on sign in. Connect later. Click on I accept the agreement. Enter the serial key 111. Click on next. Click on connect later. Click on install. Click on yes. Okay. Click on launch now. You can launch now to run the application, or otherwise you can close the application. Okay. So in my case I am launch now. Okay. So click on having the trouble to connect to the internet. Click on offline activation. Generate the code. Okay. So this one is the response code. Okay. To activate. So I have the keygen. Okay, click on generate. So this one is the activation code. Control C, copy. Control V, paste. Click on activate. Click on launch. we have Dreamweaver in our computer. So Dreamweaver is a software which you use for web designing. Okay, so to open this you have to click on HTML, or you can take any other code. Okay, click on the code, write the code and do it. Click on design. Here is the code. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.